You know you have the water heater in your RV turned on, and yet there is no hot water when you go to take a shower. I will show you how to check for proper thermostat operation in your RV water heater and how to make any necessary repairs. There is a small light on the water heater control circuit board that lights when the unit is calling for heat. The temperature of the water heater is determined by a thermostat which is attached to the outside wall of the water tank. If the thermostat circuit fails, the control board will not turn on either the electric or gas heaters to heat the tank. You can check the condition of the circuit by gently wiggling the connectors and wiring between the sensors and the control circuit board. If the light on the circuit board flickers, then you have a bad connection or a failed thermostat. Check the condition of the thermal cutoff fuse. Use a meter to check the fuse and replace if necessary. Check the thermostat and emergency cutoff, also called ECO connectors, for loose or dirty terminals. You can clean the connectors with electrical contact cleaner. You should also check the circuit board connectors for damage. You will now want to replace the ECO and thermostat sensors. These parts are purchased as a kit, which also includes a protective gasket. These parts come in various temperature ratings, so make sure you purchase the correct one for your unit. I have heard of people who replace their thermostat with one that has a lower temperature rating. This is fine if you don't want your water very hot, but keep in mind, the hotter the hot water, the more you can mix with cold water and the longer it will last. To replace the ECO T-Stat kit, begin with removing the connectors from the old sensors. Remove the old gasket. Remove the sensors by twisting them until the tabs in the brackets line up with the slots in the sensors. Clean any residue from the wall where the sensors contact the tank. Now insert the new sensors into the holes and twist the support collars into place. Remove the backing and attach the protective gasket over the new sensors. Check that the connectors will fit securely and recrimp them if necessary. Replace the connectors, paying special attention to the order printed on the gasket. Finally, turn on the hot water switch inside your RV and check for proper operation of your hot water heater.